what is important, full swing ang preparation ng prosecution panel. And we are confident that by July 6th and even earlier, we're ready to face the impeachment court. Alam mo, ang biruan namin, para kaming bumalik sa bar review. Because we really need to read again the rules on evidence, the trial technique, and we need to prepare the necessary questions which we must propound on the occasion of the direct examination. Dapat ma-establish namin kung anong gusto naming maipakita sa impeachment court. That's why it is necessary na as early as now, nag-prepare na kami ng mga important questions for the witnesses. No? Kong Chel was there because we know for a fact that he has been a practicing lawyer for so long a time. I think more than 30 years, no? 35 ba? O 36? Basta very long. And we're actually grateful to him because he shares a lot of expertise. He shares a lot of information. And he advises us actually on how we're going to do about the direct examination and even the cross-examination, no? So the preparation is in its full swing. Sometimes we need to meet as a big group. Sometimes we need to meet as a small group. That is the article teams which I have shared to the media. Sometimes we need to study on our own. Basta what is important, full swing ang preparation ng prosecution panel. And we are confident that by July 6th and even earlier, we're ready to face the impeachment court.
Ma'am, yung meetings po ninyo, for example, big group, how often po ba yan sa isang linggo, thrice a week? Kasi parang nakita po namin kayo, madalas po kayo sa People Center.
Because I am the lead prosecutor. As much as possible, I wanted to be part of all the meetings, be it a big group meeting or a small group meeting, except when there are necessary concerns that I need to address here in our province. No? But as to how often, depende sa need. No? Sometimes kasi mas gusto rin ng mga prosecutors to read on their own, to study on their own. So we consider the convenience of the prosecutors. But definitely, it is important that we are doing also the mock trial to give us a feel of how it is to do the direct examination and the cross-examination.